Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are on Ethereum Classic. So I hope you guys checked our previous Tuesday stream where we basically cover which area Bitcoin or Ethereum should hold for them to continue, and it worked out perfectly, right? The area held really nicely. So right now this is probably really good for USDT contracts, right? So right now they went for a little bit of a pullback, but I do think if Bitcoin breaks 11.9k, I do think they will fly again. So to my reason right now, it's probably time to fill the backs right now. I mean, the decent chance of risk to win ratio is pretty big, right? Because the worst case scenario, Bitcoin rejects 1.9k, it goes down to a lower low, right? It doesn't hold the area and then it drops. So yes, we get stopped on our USDT trades if that happens. But again, that's only a small percent risk, because if the Bitcoin breaks 11.9k, all of these alts will break the tops, you know, and possibly even go higher to the left side, right? So in this case, speaking right here, if it breaks, right, we can go all the way up to, we can go all the way up to here, which is 60%, or perhaps even here, which is about 100%. So it is quite a big gain on this area, right? So the fill area right now is right now. I'm not gonna joke, right? The best kind of buy was at this line, but we are obviously too late for now, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a fatter area right here, because the buy is right now. If the Bitcoin is gonna pop a little bit, it's probably gonna retrace in, fill you up, and it's probably gonna leave the area if that happens. So the long position is on the middle, right, as always, on the middle of the area, and the stop loss is right under, so it's about 4% stop loss. I don't really want to go under that anymore. I mean, I know we haven't gained anything on the left side, we haven't gained anything on the middle of this small structure right here, but generally speaking, I don't think if the Bitcoin is pumping up, we have no reason of going under this line anymore. We do want to hold that and just continue mooning, right? That's the whole reason. So let's just see for the first profit target. If that happens, we are going to be using right this stop, which was the previous source of rejection, right? The previous source of rejection, or you can use orange, right, and green line. I'm going to use green line, you know, I'm going to front run it just a little bit. So the previous source of rejection, like I said many times, we don't have a crystal ball, so we don't know if it's going to continue it. We're taking profit here, and this is about 13% of the coin, which is still good, or 3% are really good profit target anyways, right? If that does indeed happen to break, then we are going to go much higher, right? We are going to go, the next profit target is then going to be all the way up to this part, and the last profit target is going to be, the second profit target is then going to be 47%, or a 12R, and the last profit target all the way up here is going to be located at 89%, or 22R, which is a pretty fantastic trade if you look at it. And this is also pretty much almost the whole chart that we have here on Binance. So in retrospect, if this is going to moon, we are gonna have to go for another trade on it, right? So basically, if it does something like this, we will probably already be able to fill something in this area already, right, on a retracement. Or if it goes all the way up to here, right, we again going to be able to fill somewhere around here on the retracement, and hopefully it's gonna continuate on the journey, right? So again, we're gonna play both of them similarly, right? If we fill it here, we're gonna take profit target here as well, and we're gonna take profit target here as well, because again, we do not know it's gonna continuate. But we'll, at that point, if we get fill on each one of those spots, right, each one of these two spots, we are gonna be targeting a little bit higher again. And due to the fact that we are going to start running out of chart, the only good thing we can do again is to follow with the stop loss on a developing structure, right? So we wait for structure to develop, we hit the top, hit the bottom, and then it continuates, and then we put stop under that bottom. And again, if you guys want to know more about the moving stops or all of these things, you can join us on 4C Telegram, right, where we pretty much we always update our stops, or we talk about stops, or talk about similar trades, or similar opportunities like this. Right now I would want to say that the previously canceled Matic can go back online, which was the video I made previous week. I think it was like 1 week ago. That trade is now back online as well. We're gonna put it back in the bot. The reason for that is that now we can go a little bit wider, right? But Bitcoin is looking healthy as it is right now and holding the prime main areas. We can go a little bit wider and enter multiple trades. And if all those trades played out, I mean, it's basically like this: if one trade is gonna play out, pretty much all of them are going to play out, right? This is the logic behind this now, because if Bitcoin breaks out, the USDT contracts will follow and you will pretty much win all the trades, right? Or if one loses, all of them loses. It's the same story when it comes to it, right? The only reason now is, I mean, the only difference really is don't risk too much, right? Because if all of them loses, you don't want to be losing more than 3%, right? So yeah, if you're going to take trades, you should take about 3 trades or 4 maximum, right? And if all of those win, you're probably gonna make, you know, upwards to 40-50%, or you gotta be risking like 4%, and you're gonna, you know, 3-4%, and you're gonna lose that. So it's a pretty good trade-off ratio, yeah. So yeah, guys, please do hit that bell button, subscribe to our channel if you wish to see more of videos like this, more of opportunities. Join us on Telegram channels, like I said before, and yes, I guess we will be seeing each other on the next one.